also, this is going to be a surprise for Agrima. She knows that I'm going to get my hair colored and she also knows the color, but she thinks I'm going to get it done with her on Sunday. But I'm going to get my hair colored tomorrow, that is Friday, and it is going to be very difficult for me.
Hi guys, okay, so Tanvi will be really shocked after she sees the intro of the video, but I was having FOMO. FOMO is fear of missing out for not being in this video and not being a part of the major life change that Tanvi went through.
That is what a surprise is, dumb me.
Went ahead with it took a lot of guts, and I just want to tell you all that she looks absolutely amazing. I wasn't there with her, but I really wanted her to vlog this. So have fun, like hype her in the comments. You can also watch my hair transformation vlog, which will be somewhere.
Yes, I'm being a shameless promoter. Thanks.
I'll link it just in case. But this one is a very major one, so make sure you hype her, love her, and you can also consider this a part of her birthday series. If you haven't watched that, go watch it. And yeah, so Tanvi, you look absolutely amazing, and I'm so happy you took the step. So without any further ado, let's get into the vlog.
This is going to be my hair transformation vlog. Feels so good to say it out loud, but yeah, this is going to be my hair transformation vlog, and Agrima she has no clue about it. She'll only see all this once she starts editing it.
I'm editing it right now, and I think it was so rude to not tell me.
I'm going to tell you guys what I'm going to get done. I'm getting my hair colored, and it's a very big deal for me because I love my hair, and you know, coloring your hair damages them. And I was going to get my hair colored around my birthday, but that's the time when my hair falls the most because of the change in the season and stuff. So I didn't get it colored back then, but I had full-on plans. I got permission ghar pe bhi that I can get it colored and stuff, but I myself did not want to get it colored that time because my hair was falling a lot.
What follows is a brief construction montage. We hope you enjoyed this brief construction montage.
When I got my hair colored for the first time, which was last year, I did not experiment a lot, and I went with a very natural color of brown, which showed a lot in my hair. Surprisingly, I did not expect it to be that prominent, but it was prominent. When in sunlight, you can clearly see the highlights in my hair. But right now you actually can't see any highlights because they're almost gone because it's been a year. So this time I am going to get the color from I'm going to get the wine color in my hair, and I am very nervous about it.
The next day.
So I have reached the place where I have to get my hair colored from, and I am very scared, needless to say, because I'm scared how it will turn out on me. That's the thing. So excited. Sadly, they don't have the perfect color for my hair, so I will have to wait till Sunday.
Okay, so let me narrate a little something for you. So Tanvi wanted wine color, but they did not have the perfect color, as she said. So she had to settle with cherry red, and she was a little too nervous about it because red is a little too bright, right? So she's getting her hair colored red and not wine. So wait for the results.
That's the color. I am officially a redhead. Oh my god. How cute. So this is not the exact color that I got. This is after one wash, my hair after one wash. This is how exactly I looked when I got my hair colored, and this is after one wash. So now I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna talk about the whole procedure as to how it happened, what happened. So yeah. Okay, so this is how my hair looks when I'm inside the house with this much lighting. So obviously this color will look really bright and red when I'm actually in the sun. So now I'm going to get into a little bit of technicalities as to, you know, what was the whole procedure and, you know, what did I actually get done on my hair. So when I actually went for the first consultation, it was on Friday, and I really hoped that I would have gotten the color on Friday, but I actually got it on Sunday because they didn't have enough, you know, color for my hair. But yeah, so when I went for the consultation on Friday, I was really confused as to what I want to get. I just had like this Pinterest inspo picture, which I'm going to attach here, which looks quite similar to my hair now. But I just had this picture and I had a rough idea as to, I just knew that I wanted to get this wine reddish color, okay? I did not even know what exact color I wanted to get. So once I got there, he told me that, you know, the person who was doing my hair told me कि bleach करना ज़रूरी है. I'm like, मुझे bleach नहीं करना है, because as far as what I've heard and what I've seen on my friends' hair, on my you know, relatives' hair, is that bleach kind of damages your hair, and that kind of damage is irreplaceable. You know, you can't correct it, you know, even as time follows. So you can't correct the amount of damage bleach does to your hair, and that's not what I wanted to do. I did not even want a drop of bleach to, you know, touch my hair, because I've seen people's hair getting ruined because of bleach, and I did not want to have that kind of hair with me. A lot of confusion, but actually the people working there helped me a lot, and they helped me decide that I think I should do highlights from the top, and on the bottom I should get the whole entire color, and there's a reason behind that too. So before this, you know, a year and a half back, I got brown highlights because it was the first time and I didn't really want to experiment, so I went with the, you know, conventional color brown. So, you know, the highlights had obviously grown out, and, you know, I had brown highlights from here. So they're like, if you get highlights in the whole head, we'll have to do double the damage, which is not what I wanted. So I decided that I'll go highlights from the top, you know, highlights in the roots, and then niche aake the whole, you know, ends will be red. And that's exactly what it is. I have highlights here and here, and, you know, my ends are completely and actually red. So yeah, अभी आप लोगों को नहीं लग रहा होगा क्योंकि मेरे बाल लाल हैं, because I'm inside the house and there's no direct sunlight on me. There's just this like 2-3 bulbs of yellow lighting, but you've seen the previous clip and you actually know what color it really is. So that, and the color that I got done was cherry red. Another way, like, you know, this color is not going to go directly on your head without bleaching, and that's what happened with me. So instead of bleaching, we did 2 colors in my hair. So the ends were not difficult to color, because since there was already brown, my hair were not really black, they were a lighter shade of brown, so the color easily, you know, नीचे वाले ends पे चढ़ गया था. But on the roots, it was difficult to get the color because all my roots were actually black. So firstly, without using bleach, they, you know, took the blonde color and they applied the blonde color on my roots. You know, they took, you know, so कंघी से highlight करके foil में they took the blonde color, and obviously without bleaching, the blonde color only, you know, got 50% on my head. So that 50% helped us to get the red on my head. So we didn't use any bleach. We absolutely did not let bleach touch my hair, and it was with the help of the blonde color that I got this red color. So it was indirectly getting 2 colors only on my roots, and that's how I got, you know, red color on my roots without damaging my hair. So that's that. Another common question, you know, a myth is that hair coloring damages your hair. I think that's absolutely false, because bleaching can damage your hair but not hair coloring. If you go towards the conventional colors like, you know, red and brown, they don't damage your hair. Instead, you know, the proteins and, you know, the treatment the hair color dye is made of actually can help your hair also. So this is my hair after a wash. So I mean, I did not even have an increased amount of hair fall or anything. It's just like my normal hair, but just like colored into red. And another question is that, does red color bleed a lot? Yes, it does. I'm not going to say a lot. This is my hair after 1 wash. So I tried the wash first so that I can give you guys an honest review. So it's like I washed it. It was way less than I expected it to bleed, since a lot of people told me that the color was actually bleed a lot. It didn't bleed a lot. It bled, but it didn't bleed a lot. So like with every, you know, drop, with every, you know, amount of water coming in my head, there was a little bit color coming out, but it wasn't red. It was a little purple in color, and, you know, मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा था कि ऐसा लगेगा कि खून की नदियाँ बही हुई हैं, but it wasn't anything like that. It was just like really like a little bit of purple thing coming out of my head, and this is going to happen with me in every wash. So don't be like I'm getting a purple color doesn't, you know, red color doesn't mean that it won't bleed. It will bleed. It did bleed, and it will bleed in every wash that I do. And my hair, you know, the hair person also suggested that I reduce the amount of washes so the color lasts long. The only problem with this color is that it'll maximum to maximum last for 5-6 months in my hair, not more than that. It'll then turn into a rusty brown, which I don't have a problem with, but I will be sad to see this hair go because I'm already obsessed with it. So yeah, this is my hair now. If you have any more doubts, don't forget to, you know, comment here. We might answer them here, or don't forget to follow us on Instagram and we might help you there also. So that's it from my side in this video. Now I think you're going to see Agrima's reaction as to how she reacted to this makeover that I had.
Okay, you guys, so there was something wrong in the screen recording, so my reaction did not get voice. So I'm just going to do a voiceover of what I think I said at that point. So here we go. So she called me. I got like 1 second. So I saw that she's got it red without me. So I was shocked. So, but she was asking me if I saw it, and I was like, I think I did. And then she asked me to close my eyes, and then she went and she stood. I was in shock, actually in awe. I literally, I shouted so loud that my mom was sleeping. She was like, what the hell is wrong with you? So I shouted so loud. I was so happy because we've been wanting to, like, you know, experiment with our hair. So when she did it, I was like, you're a redhead. I'm like, okay. So then she's like, you know, this happened. These people did not even use bleach. I'm like, that's amazing. And then I'm just listening to her bragging about her new hair. It was so much fun. Like, even though I wanted to be there, like, this coming as a shock to me was even more better. And then she told me that it did not have to, you know, damage her hair as well. I was really happy. I could have, like, literally had happy tears. So yeah. So that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time we post a video. And thank you for watching.